Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue. Click on Advanced Options, then we need to select Troubleshoot, then select Advanced Options and then click on Command Prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r : and hit enter to execute this command. Type C : and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd /c : and hit enter to execute the command. Type cd Windows and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type cd system32 and simply hit enter. Type in cd config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Then type md backup and hit enter. Now type copy *** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now type copy *** backup1 and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd regback and simply hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Type copy *** and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now execute this command cd C : /. Now type cd Windows /system32 /config /regback and hit enter to execute. Type bcd edit /export C : /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type cd C : / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md boot and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd boot and simply hit enter. Now type md bcd and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd C : / and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type attrib C : /boot /bcd -h -r -s and simply hit enter. Now type ren C : /boot /bcd bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type bootrec /rebuild bcd and simply hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.